Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey citizens, how y'all doing today? We are back with another unboxing video, guys. Yes, I'm back. Today's unboxing video, we are unboxing, you read the title, some Givenchy. Did I say that right? Did I pronounce that right? Givenchy. Givenchy. It's not Givenchy. 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 Guys, we are unboxing the cute, new and improved Antigona bag. And I think I got it in a small size. I'm not even 100% sure. So guys, if you're here for this video and you're not a citizen, I don't know what you're waiting for. Hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. And become official citizen. Yes, become official citizen. Okay guys, let's get right into the Givenchy unboxing. Okay, so I placed the order for the bag on Neiman Marcus. And I get points from Neiman Marcus, and it just came. I ordered a few items, so it came in one big box. So it didn't come in, the Givenchy box. It came in just this white box, and it has the Antigona mini bag right on here. I don't know if you can see that. And I have an Antigona bag. I have a blue, but I don't think I have a mini. I think I have a small. I'm not sure. I think it comes in like 3 sizes. I think it's mini, small, or mini, medium, and large. So let's just get it right open. Comes with a dust bag, just some tissue paper, and here's the dust bag. Here is the Givenchy logo. Oh, and it says Givenchy here on the bag. So the bag is like a matte black, and the Givenchy is like in the glossy finish. Oh, it's kind of like my nails, matte and glossy. I like that. I didn't even know that. All right, here it is. The Givenchy mini Antigona. It's cute. It's a little smaller than I think I wanted, so I think I might take it back and get the next size up. And yeah, I'm gonna leave the plastic on the hardware because I'm pretty sure I want the next size up. And this one was $2,050, and I think the next size up is like $2,150. Or you already know, when you buy a luxury bag, the mini is always like $100 difference. But I really couldn't tell online, and I wasn't sure with the new style if it changed a lot when it came to size. So that's why I ordered the mini. And I think I'm going to go maybe tomorrow and exchange for the next size up, because yeah, this is just a lot smaller than I wanted. I think I want the next size up, and I'm pretty sure it comes with a crossbody strap. I think that's in here. Yeah, it comes with a crossbody strap. It's all black leather, and it has some adjustments on it where you can adjust it a little bit. And with the silver hardware. And this one's a little different. My Antigona bag has a zipper. This is a magnet, open and close. So this must be new for the, something new. with the new collection. I'm not sure if the next size up have a zipper, but I will definitely prefer a zipper. If not, the magnet is cool too. I like that, how it just opens and closes like this. But it's super cute. It's what I expected. I didn't get like the one that's kind of like a matte finish. I wanted more of the shiny black. But this one just say black, size small, Antigona, size OS, Antigona mini bag. And it is mini. So it's a lot minier than I expected. And you know, this has the lock here. So we're going to just pack this up. And I'm going to go and exchange it tomorrow. Maybe I'll take you guys with me and turn this whole unboxing into like a vlog. I don't know. So we will see. And hopefully they have it in stock. If not, I'm probably going to have to just pay the difference. They'll order it and then ship it to me. I'm going to put everything back in here. Put everything back in the dust bag. And wait until tomorrow to go order. Actually, I'm going to check online after I finish this. I'm going to check online and see if it's available in the next size. I would prefer the bigger size. Okay, so along with this purchase, I ordered the shark lock boots. I wanted these boots last year, and if you know, these boots sell out so fast, so fast. And I wasn't sure of the size, and every time I go on like a Neiman's or Saks, they're never available, so you just have to just order them straight from the website. So I just ordered not one but 2 pairs because I don't know. Everybody say go up a whole size. Well, my US size is a 36 and a half. I'm a true 36 and a half, but in UK sizes, European sizes, I get a 37. But when I talked to the sales rep, they told me, oh, I think you should go up to a 38 if you're 37. So to avoid getting a pair, having to ship them back and all that, I just ordered 2 pair. So, well, actually, I actually ordered 1 pair, and my husband ordered the other pair. So we're gonna unbox the first pair. It comes in this beautiful black and white Givenchy box, which is really cute, and I will get me a cute little thumbnail with this. Thumbnail. Okay. So like I was saying, it's a couple, I haven't seen too many videos on this boot, and I went with the short version of the boot because I have the high version in the Prada monolith boot. So I said I wanted to get a lower boot in black. And another thing, a lot of people say they had a hard time getting the higher boot over their calves. I don't have large calves, but I just didn't want to take the chance. And like I said, I wanted something a little bit different because my monolith boots are all black and they're pretty high. So let's just get these unboxed and see how they look. The box is really pretty. The black and white. Got tissue paper. So if the 37 fit, I won't even unbox the 38, and I'll just put them back. And they come in a black dust bag. This dust bag is huge. Let's take these out of the box. Comes with a little care card. This is really pretty. And here they are. Let's get them open. styrofoam off of this one. Very beautiful shoe. I love how it has the two-tone lock. So this one is with the silver and the gold. I don't know if you could tell that this is the gold and then the silver. And how the boot is, it's kind of like a wedge heel. I don't know if you can see that. Some tissue paper in here. It's like a wedge heel. And I heard some people say they had to get the rim cut a little bit because it was dragging on the high boot. So I hope I don't have that problem. And the lock is supposed to come off, so I'm gonna figure that out in a few minutes. And here is the other one. And this one has the silver lock with the Givenchy on it. And I actually like this one a little bit better than the old style because it's a little more detailed, a little more bulky, and I like that. So to take the lock down, you just pull it here, pull it and twist, and then you just take it off. Let's just take it off. I'm only gonna take it off of the one. See, it has a little, the lock goes in here and then in here. And then you just pull this apart. And then you have this side with the zipper, and then you can unzipper it. It's a little stiff. Very stiff. I'm gonna try this on, and if it fits, I'm gonna do some mod shots. And like I said, I probably won't even unbox the size 38, but I think this 37 is going to fit. It looks small, but I think it's going to fit. So I will be right back. Okay guys, that is it for the Givenchy double unboxing. I hope you really enjoyed it. And like I said, I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to turn this sit down video into a vlog, because like I said, I'm going to take the bag back and get the bigger one. Maybe I will just come back and do another unboxing of the actual bigger bag, or like I said, I might just turn this into a whole vlog. Yes, so we will see. So don't forget, if you like videos like this, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time your girl upload a video, you will be notified. Until the next time, Syd signing off. Peace. I think that's it, babe.